Good evening, APA. Thought I'd do a quick pack of cards here in between periods of the hockey game. Gonna keep the theme of Woody Harrelson going here. And a pack of Power 92 radio here.
I'm good, Chuck. How are you?
Pro Set Power 1992 football. I don't remember what these look like, but let's take a gander.
Chuck.
Now, of course, a few years ago, old Diane left the show. Never hear from her anymore.
Oh boy, Norman. Your boy Harvey Williams on the back.
You know what she's doing nowadays? I just love her.
Oh yeah, I do remember these.
No, I
Willie
haven't
Green.
talked to her.
Boy, these are all
Probably
stuck
a
together.
year and a half.
Every time I watch that show, I'm just amazed. The old Normie sitting there.
Old
all the
Normie
time.
sitting there.
Is his wife ever caught up investigating as to his whereabouts?
William
Well, I'm not
the
sure,
Refrigerator
Chuck.
Perry.
To tell you the truth, I was kind of calling to talk about the music.
Got a
I
Bronco.
rap about Cheers a lot. And,
Is that Terrell Davis? No, that's before his time. Steve Atwater.
I just love that music.
Oh boy, this can't be a Eugene
Where'd
Chung,
you
can
come
it?
up with that one?
There's no way.
I didn't exactly write that one myself, dude.
Are you kidding?
Come again?
I didn't write that one.
Wow. This has just
Anyway, if we
been a
could
run.
segue on to something,
Most
a
people
little
would pull these
interesting, I'd
cards
appreciate
that I've pulled that I'm excited about wouldn't care, but
ended
Wow.
an overall interview about Cheers. As I said,
I guess I'll continue.
kind of,
Jim Harbaugh.
old hat to talk about it. So, some of it-
Munchak maybe?
about the music.
Ray Childress.
I called you.
I had no idea
Richard
that you had
Dent?
an interest in
Yep.
recording career.
Well, I don't really have so much an interest in the recording.
Neil
as the
Smith
performance.
maybe? Yeah.
I just love performing.
What the hell? The ref holding them up? That's a weird card.
I love performing the music. I
Man,
love
imagine if that was
performing
Johnny
in
Greer
general,
holding them up.
theater, that kind of thing.
Mike Pritchard.
What can we expect when we
That
see
looks
live
like Eric
concert?
Kramer. Yep. Chargers.
There's a lot of spontaneity, to tell you the truth. And,
No idea. Eric sleeping with
I don't really know
Bieniemy.
what to expect. It varies a lot from show to show. We have more music.
And
than
there
we
is
have,
the Harvey
you know,
Williams.
time. And
Wow.